Awareness. Awareness is literally the probably single most important ingredient to our opportunity level. What we're aware of dictates what we have in our life and what we don't have in our life. As you read in this chapter, there's several different levels of awareness. And unfortunately, we cannot act, we cannot decide, we cannot think a lot of times outside of our current level of awareness. And our comfort zone will always be matched by the level of awareness on the screen that we're currently viewing. So let's just represent right now that my entire universe is this screen that you're looking at right now. The opportunity that exists inside this screen is all that I'm available of, or that all I have available to me, sorry. And everything that I'm doing or not doing inside of this would also be comfortable to me because I understand it. I can see to the left, I can see to the right, I can see up, I can see behind me, and I can tell what I can do and not do. I can see what's available to me and what's not available to me. So let's just say that this represented our current level of awareness as it related to the income we could make, or the residual income, or our investment portfolio, or our network marketing business, or whatever it is. This is all the opportunity that exists. And let's say that right out there is a business partner like a Mazafar Nachvi, or a coach like Bob McCran, or any number of things that could come in and take us right through the roof. But they're out here, or they're just up there, or they're below here. If we're not willing to stretch this screen of view called our awareness, if we're not willing to raise our level of awareness, then what we don't know will be the biggest limiting governor on our success and our speed. So what I'm going to encourage you to do is to start to stretch in multiple directions and let a whole new world of opportunity, color, and magic enter your life.